Hello dear students, today in this video we are going to practice modals, that is again an important topic of English grammar. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First question, fill in the blanks. Here are 6 questions. So here we have to choose the correct answer or to fill in the blanks with the correct answer. First question, you dash wear a helmet while riding a bike. You can see here this is a rule. Okay, this is an obligation, this is a rule what we have to follow. That means here we are to use must. Whenever the sentence talks about the rules and regulations, it means if we not follow this rule or that much rule, so we will be punished or we will be imposed a penalty. In that case we need to use the modal must. Okay, so here the correct answer will be must. You must wear a helmet while riding a bike, because if you don't wear a helmet you will be fined. Next one is he dash swim when he was 5 years old. Here you can say this is the ability that he dash swim, or he was able to swim, but only when he was 5 years old. This is of past. Okay, this is the ability of past, right? Not now, but in past he was able to swim. So here we have to use could. So he could swim when he was 5 years old. Third sentence, we dash reach the station by 6 p.m. or we will miss the train. Once again, we will be facing the consequences if we don't do something. That means again it's an obligation. So we dash reach the station by 6 p.m. It is mandatory. We have to reach. So must. Okay, so we must reach the station by 6 p.m. or we will miss the train. Next one is dash you lend me your pen for a while. So here it is permission. Okay, so it is talking about permission. So can you lend me, an informal permission it is, not formal. So we are to use here can. Can you lend me your pen for a while? Next one is please listen carefully. Otherwise you dash make mistakes. Whenever we have the word otherwise or and otherwise, we use will as a modal. Okay, so here the correct answer is will. Please listen carefully, otherwise you will make mistakes. That is what I also want to say. Please listen carefully. Okay, otherwise you will make mistakes. Next one is he worked hard lest. Here the keyword is lest. Whenever you find lest in a sentence, just use should. Okay, he worked hard lest he should fail the test. So here the correct answer is should. Next one, B part. This is MCQ type. We are to choose the correct option. First one is you look tired, you dash take some rest. So you look tired. Okay, you should take some rest. Here we can use should. Must can also be used, but should is better because here it is just about the suggestion or advice, not it is mandatory. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to take rest. No, but you may take rest or you should take some rest. Okay, this is a suggestion, this is an advice. So here we are to use should. Next one is when I was child, I dash run very fast. Once again ability but of a past, right? Suppose if it is it is in present also we are able to do something, then we use can. But if it is of past tense, then we are to use could. So when I was a child, I could run very fast. So B is the correct answer. Next one is it's cloudy. It is cloudy. It dash rain today. Here it is talking about the possibility, and the possibility is strong. Whenever we have strong possibility, we use may, and if the possibility is weak, then we use might. So here it is saying that it is cloudy. That means there are more chances that it will rain today. Okay, so strong possibility. So it may rain today. Next one is we dash be late if we don't start now. So we dash be late. Once again there is a possibility and we might be late if we don't start right now. Next one is you dash obey the traffic rules. Once again, traffic rules that is mandatory to follow. So what we are to use? Must. Next one is this is a secret, you dash tell anyone. Here it is about a common sense question, not only about the use of modals but a common sense also. This is a secret. So a secret is not supposed to be revealed. So here note is only given in one option, right? So the correct answer is must not. This is a secret you must not tell anyone. If we use should, might or need, then it will be in positive sense that we should tell it to somewhere, to someone. Okay, so that means we are not supposed to do this. So this is a secret you must not tell anyone. Next is of error correction. This type of questions will not be there in your exams, but here it is to make you clear about some facts about modals. Okay, means with modals we never use to. Okay, with modal, for example, will to, can to, may to, this is not correct, this is wrong. Okay, next we never use like ing with modals like maying or coulding, woulding, like this. We never use ed like made or shoulded. Okay, all these are wrong. And we never use s with also, with modals also, like woulds or shoulds. These are also wrong. Okay, so this is what we want to clear with the help of these sentences. See the first one. Here we are to find out the error and rewrite the correct sentence. He can too play the guitar very well. So here it is using to with modal, so we are to remove it. He can play the guitar very well. Next one is you must not to be late for exam. So here to is to be removed. You must not be late for the exam. Next one is I could solve the problem easily. One rule is with modals we always use first form. Okay, with modal, any modal, we always use first form unless there is B. If we have a modal plus B, then only ing or third form can be used, right? So here it is simple modal, so we are to use first form. I could solved is the error. Here D is to be removed. I could solve the problem easily. Next one is they should work harder to pass the test. So they should, S is to be removed. Okay, so they should work harder to pass the test. Now next one is complete the sentence. Actually it is written 4 questions, but total 5 questions are there. First one is you dash respect your elders at all times. Now you can see here ought to and would, two options are given. So whenever a suggestion or advice is given, we can use should, ought to. Ought to is just like similar to should. Okay, or must also we can use in this situation, but should is better and ought to is most appropriate. Okay, must is used when a rule is given. So here it is you dash respect your elders at all times. So should is not given, so ought to is given, so we are to choose ought to because would is not correct. Ought to is to be used here. Next one is he dash play cricket every evening when he was a child. Now see the difference. Here it is talking about the habit in past, not the ability. Okay, here it is covering an important point. Suppose if ability of a past is given, I'm trying to improve my handwriting as well because some students were commenting that they are not able to read my handwriting. So sorry for that. Now let me continue the point. Suppose the sentence is talking about ability of a past, then we are to use could. But if it is talking about a habit of a past, right? When I was child, I do this thing regularly. Okay, then we are to use used to. That is means used to is used for habits in the past. Now here habits or routine. Now here it is he dash play cricket every evening when he was a child. When he was a child, this used to be his routine. This was his routine to play cricket every evening. So here, what is the correct answer? Used to, not could. If we write he could play cricket, so that is not the ability. Okay, so here we are to use used to. Next one is I am sure she dash help if you ask politely. Here it is about determination, right? Here it is about determination. That means the person is sure that she will do this. So I am sure she will help. Will. Here the answer is used to, and here it is ought to. Next one is I dash prefer coffee to tea. I dash prefer. Prefer is the keyword here. Whenever a preference is given, means when we prefer one thing to another, then we are to use would. Okay, so here the correct answer is would. I would prefer coffee to tea. Next, see the next sentence. This is again the same thing. I dash rather die than beg. Now he is preferring to die than beg. So here the keyword is rather. If you get this word rather, or you just understand that one person or the speaker in the sentence is preferring one thing to another, then we use would. Okay, so once again, would is correct here. Would is the correct option. Okay, so this means students, you need to keep in mind so many things while practicing modals, like ability, possibility, habits of past, ability of past, obligations, rules or regulations, suggestions, advice, preference. So many things are there to practice. Okay, but this you would learn only with practice. Not a shortcut is there. So you have to do one thing, that is practice, practice, and practice only, because practice will make you perfect. Okay, so this was the worksheet related to modals, and I will definitely try to prepare more activities, more worksheet to practice grammar topics especially, because I always observe that my students, they lag just in grammar. Otherwise their literature is strong, they can solve unseen passages very well, they can practice a writing section also, but only the problem lies in grammar. And in grammar, not about the rules, not about the general rules of grammar, but only about practice. So what do we need? Only practice. So I will help you to practice grammar with the help of a few more videos, not only of not a few, but many videos related to different grammar topics, right? So this is all for today's video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Keep learning.